Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a different type of video. I want to start doing more like lifestyle videos and like stuff like that. And basically, today's video is going to be about finding the best deals for groceries and stuff like that. I'm currently just in the just starting my process of ordering groceries for us, and I wanted to walk you through kind of what I do to save some money and to make sure we get what we need and not what we want all the time. We are on a bit of a budget right now because currently I am not working. My only income is my hair from home, and I don't have a huge clientele, so it's been very kind of sparse. Alex works full-time, which is great, but money is a little bit tight right now, so I just want to kind of bring you guys along and show you what I do to kind of budget, I guess. So first things first is I get from Superstore. With Superstore, I shop there mostly because you get points and the prices are fairly cheap. I know there's like Walmart and stuff, but with Walmart you don't really get points. But with Superstore you get points towards like literally money off. So that is kind of where we shop most often. Occasionally we'll go other places if like we need something small and it's like around. Like sometimes we will go to Walmart if we're already at Walmart or if we need to go there for something else. But Superstore is the place that we shop at. So currently the first thing I'm doing is I have gone to the flyer section for this week. As you can see here, I am looking at flyers and stuff, and I'm just looking at like prices and stuff and looking at what we might want. And then if I find something that maybe we could have that would replace something or just something to add on, kind of, and then I've been writing down on this piece of paper the items, so when I go to like actually shop, I will look at this, find the items, and then I'll know that they're on a deal. This is just a way so I know I'm not missing any good deals or things like that. So yeah, I just keep kind of just do this, and it's actually I think I'm in the deals section right now, not the flyer, but you know, same thing. I hate when it jumps you up, but basically, so yeah, that's what I start with. So like see that they have the men care body wash, so I'm going to see if Alex needs any of that. I will write it down just in case. So men's body wash, so I write it down what it is, and then I will write the price of it. And then if it has like a limit to it, I'll also write the limit just so I know when I'm at checkout. Like here, garlic sausage, that is something that I eat often, so maybe I'll add that to the list. The things I add to the list do not mean I'm gonna buy it, it's just in my mind so I can kind of see when we get there. So I'm looking here and it has sidekicks on it. We do have a lot of sidekicks, so I'm gonna write that down and check our cupboards as well and see like maybe if we need anything. And then I write down that they are $1 each and that there is a limit of 4. All right, and then I just kind of keep going. And then I see that they have cucumbers that are on sale as well. So I'm going to write that down just because I have vegetables on my list, so that will be something good to keep in mind. And there's a limit of 4 on those as well. So that is kind of what I do. So I'm just going to keep going through that, and then I will bring you guys along when I do like the next thing that I'm going to do. This way I'm making sure I'm not missing any deals and stuff like that, like I said before, so yeah. Okay, so I just finished going through the deals side. Now I'm gonna go through the flyer to just see what is in the flyer for this week. It might be the same stuff that was on the deals, but not always actually, which is kind of strange. So I'm just scrolling through basically with like Superstore. It looks like this. So up here it has like all the deals, flyer, so it shows you the actual flyer, but that's kind of hard to read when you're on a computer, so that it has a section for all the flyer items, which is great. And then after I'm going to go to coupons and see what's in coupons, and then from there we are going to go through our list. All right, so I went through the flyer and I wrote down what I might be interested in. So I have my list here, and then I also have my list on my phone of the things that we need. So basically, with coupon stuff, coupons are actually only in-store purchases, which I didn't know, but good to know. So basically now I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna put things in my cart, and then I'm kind of just gonna see what my cart looks like at the end, and then kind of remove, replace, and things like that as well. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you where I'm at. All right, so I just spent the last like 2 hours dealing with groceries and stuff, and I'm finally done. So there are 46 items in my cart, and right now the total is $252. I would say more than half of the items I got are on some kind of sale. Yeah. But I also went through this list. I did not get everything that was on the list, and thankfully a lot of the stuff that was on this list we already wanted anyways or needed. So I was able to save money that way. All right, so my camera ended up dying, but I'm almost done this kind of video. So I will flip you guys around and show you kind of my screen and what I'm looking at. But yeah, most things were on sale. And just looking at like your flyers and your coupons and stuff and that, and then making sure you limit what you're needing / wanting. Get the needs first and then fill in with the wants. This is like a middle ground for what we usually get. It's usually between like $200, $300 for groceries. So I'm gonna flip you around and kind of show you what we're sitting at. Okay, so this is my cart. So 46 items, and then so far this is where we're sitting. So we got lots of just stuff we needed, and then a lot of things that were on sale to just kind of make up for what I guess we needed. There's actually one more thing I need to add that I forgot, but that's kind of what it's looking like. So just look at flyers, coupons, and then start with your needs, and then add in your wants. And then if you have a budget, that's a great way of seeing your totals. And then maybe getting a smaller portion of something, or leaving out things that you don't quite need. Like we have sugar here. We still have some sugar, I just want to fill it up. So if you're on a budget, you could remove that because you don't need it. What other things? Like pops and stuff, that's kind of a want, not really a need. So we could remove that if we needed to, if we were saving money. Like frozen foods like this, we could remove those and just go with the foods that we actually have. And yeah, so that's kind of just ways to think of when you're ordering food. Well, not ordering, I guess, just shopping in general too. I like that you can see what you're sitting at before you get to the checkout. Like when you're in a store, you put it on and then hope for the best, is kind of thing. So this is just a helpful way of figuring out where you're at, especially when you're on a budget. All right, so that was all for that video. I hope it kind of gave you some ideas and some kind of tricks and stuff, and hopefully some money saving advice. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.